Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you the various cheat codes that you can use on Tekken 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Tekken 3 game on your PC, then make sure you watch our video on how to do that first. Once you have installed the game and it is ready to go, then you will find that not all characters have been unlocked and there are various actions that you need to complete in order to unlock all of them. There are also various other features within the game that you will not be able to access when you play the game for the first time. Now, as the game is an original game for the PlayStation 1, there were not very many cheats available back in the day. However, there are a few tricks that you can use or techniques for unlockables that you will need to know if you wish to unlock everything within the game. You can find all of these details for the unlockables and various cheat codes in the screen right in front of you. You can make sure to pause the video and take a screenshot if you wish to save them for future use. And there you have it. These are the cheat codes and unlockable tricks that you can use to unlock everything in Tekken 3. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.